Hi, welcome to section 5.1. We're on page 124, and today we're talking about estar with conditions and emotions. So we've talked before about the verb estar and how it means it's one of the two to be verbs. We have ser and estar. So today we're talking about estar and how it's used to talk about how people feel and to say where people, places, and things are located. Okay, so estar is going to be used with adjectives to describe the physical condition of nouns. So for example, la puerta está cerrada. Okay, so here, cerrada is the adjective meaning closed. So the door is closed. Okay. Todo está muy limpio. So todo, everything is very clean. Okay, here this is our adjective, which is referring to está. Okay, referring back with está, referring to this. So what is clean? Everything. Muy is an adverb, which, as you may know or you may not, that's okay. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. So here, muy is modifying limpio. So everything is clean. How clean? Very clean. Okay? Now, we can use estar with adjectives to describe how people feel. So, for example, yo estoy cansada. I am tired. Yo estoy feliz. I am happy. Yo estoy triste. I am sad. Yo estoy contenta. I am content. Okay? So we use those with estar, the conjugated form, to express how someone feels. Now you'll see here a chart with a list of different adjectives that describe emotions and conditions. Notice that most of these have changes based on gender, okay? And they're going to change as well based on number, of course, depending on what the noun is, and it's going to match, okay? So just in the sense that we say, I am happy. And in English, we don't really see this as much because we don't really change based on gender or even sometimes number. But the linking verb is like an equal sign. So I equals happy. We want the same thing in Spanish, but in that case, it's going to match on both sides. If it's singular and feminine on one side, it's going to be singular and feminine on the other. So for example, ellas están, we want to make sure that the adjective matches. So ellas están nerviosas. Okay, you see this is plural and feminine. This one is also plural and feminine. So we want both sides to match, okay? So we have a list of adjectives here that we can use to describe how people are feeling. I'll go through the list really quickly. So we have abierto and abierta. That, of course, is describing like a thing. So that means open. Okay, we have aburrido, aburrida, that would be bored. Alegre, alegre is only going to change based on number, okay? So alegre or alegres, whereas all the rest of them will change. The ones that have this ending, it's telling you that it changes for gender, but then we also assume it changes for number. Okay, amable is another one like alegre that will only change for number. Avergonzado, avergonzada means embarrassed. Cansado, tired. Cerrado means closed. Cómodo, note that cómodo has an accent. Cómodo. Cómoda, contento or contenta, that means happy or content. Desordenado o desordenada means disorderly. Enamorado o enamorado de, okay, in love with. Enojado or enojada, mad or angry. Equivocado or equivocada, wrong. Feliz means happy. Limpio or limpia means clean. Nervioso, nerviosa means nervous. Ocupado, ocupada means busy. Ordenado means orderly. Preocupado means worried about. Seguro means sure, safe, or confident. Sucio is dirty, and triste is sad. And note, we want to make sure that we remember that the plural of feliz is felices. So we're going to have a change there. Okay? All right, so let's do the manos a la obra. You're welcome to pause the recording and do the activity beforehand if you'd like. So, número 1, la biblioteca está cerrada los domingos por la noche. Número 2, nosotros estamos muy ocupados todos los lunes. Número 3, ellas están contentas porque tienen tiempo libre. Número 4, Javier está enamorado de Maribel. Número 5, la habitación del hotel está ordenada y limpia. Y número 6, ustedes están equivocados. All right, that's it for this lesson. If you have any questions, please let me know in the forum. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you there.